Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching me from. Lynette Solar Travels is back. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. And as you can see here, we are mixing our locally made food for our birds. These are layers. You can see we are now mixing it. And we have the components here. This is layer mash. This is what we use, guys. 50 kg. They take for 3 days. Just for 3 days, 50 kg. And we want to mix it with layers extra. This is layer extra. Show them. This is layer extras. For those who are keeping layers, you know the work. And also we have to make sure that our birds are happy. So here we are provided with Happy Farm, guys. Happy Farm. Happy Farm. For all livestock, not only poultry, not only chicken. Now we mix it well. We want our birds to be healthy, to give us monster eggs. Asiguze. Monster eggs. Monster eggs. Mother. Shosha nakuita baba. We want our birds to give us monster eggs. Neka ngapi? Huh? Okay. Then we mix it well. We have maize flour here. We have chicken mash. Sorry, we have layers mash with all the components. And this is how we do it. Make sure it is evenly distributed, well mixed up for their well-being. And again, I'm coming food security for our birds, guys. I've started earlier because people are harvesting right now. So I've started earlier to store maize because we always mix the maize flour in their food. It is one of the components. Maize flour, we have soya beans, we have sunflower. So the earlier I do it, the better. It is harvesting season. Even this one, it's not all that bad. So these ones are all for our birds. Food security. The earlier we do it, the better. Lucky Shosha nakuita. Shosha nakuita. Okadua meni. So guys, if you are a poultry or you are a poultry keeper, that is, you are a farmer, you have to do things in prayer. You must have enough food in store. And this is what we are doing right now. Enough food in store. It's very, very important. What they feed on is very important. The moment you have food, they will grow healthy. And it is always very important. It is always very important. Food security always. Sha mix vizuri. Sasa hebu pima ukirudisha. Tukue sure it's how many things that will take us for 3 days, 4 days. We want to be sure. Enda saidie shosho kuokota mahindi pale. Enda hapa. Enda saidie shosho. Enda saidie shosho kuokota mahindi hapa. Hapa. Ndio baba. Anakisha. Bibi mama pongvita. Na kitoka. kwa dadi. Dadi anakuja. Taking care of our birds with good feeds, quality feeds. You've been seeing how I'm getting monster eggs, big eggs. The secret is here, guys. Make sure they eat healthy and quality food or feed that is for the birds. Koro manwa nigi chiemo for 3 days, don't it? 3 good days. Today is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday lunch. Yeah. So guys, the secret is here. We mix it by ourselves. We know the components in it. Don't just buy everything and you don't know what it entails. That is very important. Know what your birds eat always. And let's go and check on our eggs. How many eggs have we gotten from morning, guys? Let's move and check on our eggs now. Layers. Yes, our layers are here. They are waiting for lunch now. Yes, they are just thinking that I brought lunch, not yet time. Some 30 minutes left, then they take their lunch. Yeah, let's see their quality eggs, monster eggs. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Are you seeing this kind of eggs? How am I getting these monster eggs? Very big. Let's check. See, the tray is full, already full. And you can see this is very different from others. Are you seeing the difference? Let me just show you the difference here. This is double this one. I don't know whether it is triple or double. Monster eggs. How you can get your monster eggs. How you can make your birds lay monster eggs. It's always very important, guys. Always very important for them. Focus on what they eat and what they drink. Very clean water, very clean. So you have to focus on what they eat. Is it quality? Do you know the components in that feed they are feeding on? Or you are that type of a farmer that just order feeds and give them. Don't know what it entails. What is contained inside, you are not aware. So always be aware of what they eat and ensure their health is in good condition. Health-wise, you can see how they are healthy, very huge, still giving big eggs. So always be informed on what your birds are feeding on, the components that is, and you'll just get the kind of monster eggs I'm getting over here. It's time for lunch. Just in a few minutes we are waiting for lunch. Yes. Yeah, they eat, they give us eggs. The compound where they sleep is very clean, tidy indeed. Okay, you go. Guys, you can see everyone is busy now. It's lunchtime. They take 3 meals in a day. You can see how they are really enjoying the meal. Quality meals to get giant or monster eggs. Yeah, like everyone is singing with their mouth. Everyone is enjoying the meal now, guys. They are singing with their mouth. At the same time, Peter is making sure where they're eating is very clean. Hygiene is very important, guys, in their health and like in human beings. It is always very important to check on the hygiene, their well-being, their health, what they eat, what they drink. If you really want to get these monster eggs, here you see how that one is bigger than everyone else. Paying attention if everyone is eating here. Taking your time, checking them one by one, just to ensure everyone is okay, healthy, and taking their feeds. It's very important, guys. Hey, tomano ko gidongo ma they're so big. Yara beri kwanya tonga ko. I've seen everyone is busy, everyone is eating, and that is my priority, just to confirm everyone is okay. Taking the same ratio for uniform growth. So guys, I've given you a secret. If you want your production to go high, if you want your birds to give you big eggs, the monster eggs I'm talking about, the secret is here. Lynette Solar Travels. Make sure you tuned on. If you're watching this video for the first time, kindly consider subscribing to the YouTube channel and click that notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you are the first to watch and to get the right and the first-hand information on the ground from the right person on the ground, guys. The best photo of the day, a passionate farmer with the birds. All right, let's give them time to enjoy. After watching, everyone is really enjoying. We give them time so that they finish their eating. After that, we are coming to fill the tray of eggs. Yeah. In the next few minutes, I'll just come back to make sure this tray is full again. Hey, the big monster is here. Alright guys, enjoy your meal. See you later. Yeah. The free range are also enjoying outside here. They're basking in the sun. They're enjoying this life. These ones, they lay outside here. See, I've got another big egg here. See, they've made a nest there. I'm here to prepare them some nest here. Peter, kawuna poki kwenye tongoko ka? Asayu damoro maduong. Always important, guys, to look after them. Always here. The free range are also giving us eggs, very big in size. The monster eggs I'm talking about. Alright. Now go out. Let's give them time to enjoy the meals. The big one, Mama's Spear, they're enjoying their layers, my shear. Create a conducive environment for them to enjoy the stay. Stay at home without stress or pressure. That one you will get what you want. The big eggs, the monster eggs. Yeah, alright guys, see you later for the next updates. Passionate farmer Lynette Solar Travels.